Hey everyone, this is the Automation Mentor. Have you ever landed on a web page that just felt right? It was easy to read, guided your eye exactly where it needed to go, and made you want to take action. That's the power of great design, and it's the single biggest factor in turning a visitor into a customer. In the last video, we touched on the basics of the ClickFunnels editor. Today, we're going deep. We're going to unlock the full customization power at your fingertips, so you can build pages that don't just look good, but are engineered to convert. Let's start by taking a closer look at the building blocks of your page, the elements. We've added headlines and text before, but let's talk about making them pop. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Within the settings for any text element, you can control everything from the font family to the text color and size. Don't be afraid to use bolding to emphasize key benefits. A visually striking headline is the first thing people see. Make it count. The same goes for images and video. An image isn't just a placeholder. In its settings, you can adjust its dimensions, add a border to make it stand out, or even turn it into a clickable link that takes visitors to another page. Now let's talk about your most important element, the button. Beyond the basic text and color, explore the different button themes. You can create a button that looks like it's glowing or has a subtle shadow, making it much more enticing to click. And for a really strong call to action, you can even set the button to be full width to command attention. When it comes to input forms, you have complete control. In the settings, you can define what kind of information you're asking for an email, a name, a phone number, and you can customize that little bit of text inside the box, the placeholder text, to guide your users. Want to grab someone's attention before they leave? That's what pop-ups are for. Right here in the editor, you can design your pop-up window just like any other part of your page, adding headlines, videos, and of course, a button to capture that lead at the perfect moment. To create a sense of urgency, nothing beats a countdown timer. You can add one from the Elements menu and set it to a specific date and time. This visual cue tells your visitors that an offer is limited, encouraging them to act now rather than later. You'll find other useful elements in here too, like dividers to break up your content and image lists to showcase features visually. Now let's zoom out and talk about structure. Every ClickFunnels page is built on a simple hierarchy: green sections, which are the largest containers, blue rows and columns inside of them, and orange elements inside of your columns. Understanding this structure is the key to building anything you can imagine. You can add new sections easily, choosing their width. In any section settings, you can change the background to a solid color, a gradient, or even a full background image. See this space between the content and the section's edge? That's padding. By adjusting the padding, you give your content room to breathe, which dramatically improves readability and the professional look of your page. Inside your sections, you add rows, which can be split into multiple columns. This is how you create side-by-side layouts, and the best part is the drag-and-drop interface. You can move any element, row, or even an entire section to a different spot on the page just by clicking and dragging. It's that intuitive. This is absolutely critical. Over half of all web traffic comes from mobile devices. Your page must look great on a phone. ClickFunnels makes this easy. Just switch to the mobile view up here. What you see now is how it will look on a phone. Sometimes a headline that looks great on a desktop is too big for a mobile screen. No problem, you can select any element and change its properties, like font size for mobile only. It won't affect your desktop version. This ensures a perfect viewing experience for every single visitor, no matter their device. So when should you use a pre-built template versus building from scratch? Templates are fantastic for speed. They give you a professionally designed, proven layout you can customize quickly. Building from scratch is for when you have a very specific vision in mind and want total creative control. There's no right answer, only what's right for your project. Finally, what if you create a layout you absolutely love and want to use again? Let's say you've perfected this two-column layout. Instead of rebuilding it every time, just hover over the row and click the save icon. Give it a name, and now you can instantly add this exact layout to any other page in your funnel, saving you a massive amount of time. So let's take a step back. We've gone from a blank canvas to a fully customized page. We've controlled the styling of our text, we've structured our content with sections and rows, we've dialed in the spacing with padding, and we've ensured it looks perfect on mobile. With these editor skills, you can create pages that not only look professional, but are designed to guide your visitors and convert them into customers. You now have the power to bring any vision to life. Today we showed how you can create any page you can imagine. If you're ready to put that power to work, we've put a link for a special ClickFunnels trial right in the description below. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss our next videos on growing your online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.